8th grade research. Begin by opening up the USD 250 webpage at www.usd250.org and click on Pittsburgh Community Middle School. Once the Pittsburgh Community Middle School page is open, find and click on the PCMS Library link. Across the top of the PCMS Library page, you will find tabs for the different grade levels. Click on the 8th grade. Locate your teacher's name and click on it. Once you are on the Teacher Library page, find the link for the Kansas Library card and click on it. Once the Kansas Library card login page opens, type in your Kansas Library card number and your birth date. The home page for the Kansas Library card looks like this. The two links you will be using are the middle school edition of Britannica Online and the Student Research Center. Once you open on the middle school edition of Britannica Online, you will want to set up your workspace by clicking on the workspace link. To create a new workspace that will allow you to save all of your work, provide a username, password, and email address. Once your workspace is established and you log in, you will be able to save any article and retrieve it at a later time. The workspace also allows you to make notes next to the article. In order to do a search using Britannica Online, type your search term in the search box and click Go. Once you see the results on the screen, click on whichever article you would like to view. You will see the full text of the article on the screen, and you will have the option to save the article to your workspace, to print the article, or to cite it. Once you click on the Cite Article link, you have the option to choose the right citation style for you. Choose MLA for your research project. Once you have found all of the information you can using the middle school edition of Encyclopedia Britannica Online, go back to the Kansas Library Card homepage and select Student Research Center. The first thing you will want to do is to set up your folder, which will allow you to save articles and retrieve them later. To get started, click the Sign In link. In order to sign in, you will need to create a username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see all of the articles that you saved in your previous searches. In order to do a new search, click the New Search button. Type your search term in the search box and select only the type of resources you would like to search. Most importantly, check the full text box, which will limit your results only to documents with full text. Once you find your search results, select an article to click and view. At the top of each article, you will have all of the citation information, and as you scroll down, you will be able to view the full text of that article. In order to get the exact MLA style citation for this article, click Print. Once the dialog box appears, click Print again. The final dialog box allows you to select a printer. Click Cancel, and behind this you will see your full citation in MLA style. The citation you see will appear in the exact format you will need for the Works Cited page. Once you have searched through the Student Research Center and you still need more information, go back to your library teacher page and click on Civil War Biography website. This website allows you to browse biographies alphabetically. Once you find your person, click the link. Scroll through to review the entire contents of the article. If you have any information that you gathered together from books or other websites where you do not have a citation, go back to your library teacher page and click on Citation Machine. Citation Machine allows you to choose the citation style you need. For this project, choose MLA. On the MLA page, you will be able to select which type of resource you need a citation for. Click on the appropriate one. Then, fill in the information and click Make Citation. The citation will be generated for you to add to your Works Cited page. This is a sample Works Cited page. Each citation to your page should be added in alphabetical order. In order to cite your works in the text of your writing, put the first word next to the page number in parentheses after the text, as shown in these examples. Good luck!